Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to boost your website SEO and building high quality backlink, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Dofollow profile backlink that can easily help improve your site's ranking on Google. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the process, let's quickly explain what a Dofollow backlink is. Dofollow backlink are links that pass on link juice from the source website to your website, helping you increase your site's authority in the eyes of search engine like Google. Dear viewers, then what is Dofollow backlink? You can ask me. So let me explain what is Dofollow backlink. Dofollow backlink don't pass this link juice, meaning they have less impact on SEO. But don't worry, today we are focusing on the good stuff, Dofollow backlink. Dear viewers, so why should we focus on profile backlinks? Well, profile backlinks are created by filling out your profile information on various websites or social platforms, and they often include a field where you can add a link to your website, plus they are usually Dofollow, meaning you get the SEO benefit without any extra work. Now let's get into the actual process. I am going to walk you through how to create these backlinks step by step. I will show you some sites you can build them. Let's get started. Dear viewers, first you need to find websites that allow you to create profile and add Dofollow backlink. Some great places to start are high authority forums, social media platform, and business directories. Just Google term like create profile backlink, high DA forum, or business directories. A few great options include websites like Reddit, Quora, and LinkedIn. Make sure the site is reputable and relevant to your needs for the best result. Once you have picked a website, the next step is to sign up for an account. This will typically involve entering some basic details like your name, email, and sometimes a phone number for verification. After you have signed up, you will need to complete your profile. This includes adding your name, bio, profile, picture, and importantly, your website URL. Dear viewers, when adding your website URL, make sure to check if there's an option for a Dofollow link. Some websites give you the choice between Dofollow or Nofollow, so always go for Dofollow when possible. Dear viewers, once you have filled out your profile, don't forget to double check that your link is indeed Dofollow. You can do this by right clicking the link on your profile page, selecting inspect and looking for the relation Dofollow tag. Now here is a little pro tip. to make sure your profile backlink is even more effective. Try to engage on the platform, whether it is posting in forum, answering question, or interacting with other. This can increase your chances of getting your profile noticed. Plus, it might lead to even more backlink down the line. Dear viewers, here you can see that I have created a Dofollow file backlink over here in this website. So I am not going to show you more details. I already said details about Dofollow backlink. What is Dofollow backlink? I hope you understood. So dear viewers, please notice it when I hovering mouse on this symbol like wall logo. I hovering mouse and it gets clickable. You must notice it. So if I click on it, it took me to my website within seconds. So it is contextual backlink. If I inspect it, we can see more details about the link. So let's go see it. Click on inspect and we can see more details. Dear viewers, here no any tag that identify no follow. There is no any no follow tag here, so it is 100% Dofollow backlink. Dear viewers, today I am not going to explain anymore because the video already been long. So on the next video I will show you how to create profile, then how to create backlink. So I will do it on this website. So please wait as so far, and I already showed you details. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe. If you like this video, please click on like button and comment and share to your social media profile. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and on the bell icon for getting more videos. Allah Hafiz.